Have you ever thought about having a garden that needs less water? Welcome to the world of drought-tolerant gardening, a practice that conserves water and still yields beautiful blooms. Plants like succulents and lavender thrive in such conditions. Planting a drought-tolerant garden is easier than you think. The first step in planning a drought-tolerant garden is choosing the right plants. Consider plants that naturally thrive with less water, such as succulents or certain grasses. These plants not only survive but flourish in dry conditions. Remember, the right plant choice can make a significant difference. Next, you need to prepare the soil properly. Well-draining soil is crucial for drought-tolerant gardening. Enhance its quality by adding compost or organic matter, enriching the soil while improving drainage. Good soil preparation can help your plants thrive with less water. Now, let's talk about efficient watering. Watering deeply and less frequently encourages plant roots to grow deeper, making them more drought-resistant. The best times to water are early morning or late evening to minimize evaporation. Efficient watering is key to a successful drought-tolerant garden. Lastly, don't forget about mulching. Mulch plays a vital role in conserving water by reducing evaporation. It also curbs weed growth and helps maintain soil temperature, creating an ideal environment for your drought-tolerant plants. With proper mulching, your garden can stay healthy while using less water. You see, creating a drought-tolerant garden is not only possible but also rewarding. Imagine a lush, thriving garden that uses less water, requires less maintenance, and still brings joy to your eyes and peace to your soul. It's about harmonizing with nature, saving precious resources, and cultivating resilience. So why hesitate? Start planning your own oasis of sustainability today. Feel free to start planning your own drought-tolerant garden today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.